the apple of someone's eye. The apple of someone's eye means a person or sometimes a thing that someone loves, treasures, and cherishes above all others. Let's look at some example sentences. The youngest child in the family is the apple of everyone's eye. Her dog is the apple of her eye and she takes excellent care of him. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Her grandson is very special to her and she loves spending time with him. Her grandson is the apple of her eye and she loves spending time with him. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.